Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Alipa Ramasapira. Today, I am going to present an article review entitled A Study on Strategies Used in Developing Speaking Skills. This article was written by Adrian Abdul Komarudin, Aminah, and Anjar Kusuma Dewi. In this presentation, I will explain the background of the study, its objectives, the research methodology, the main findings, the recommendation. I hope this presentation will help you understanding the most effective strategies for improving English speaking skills. Now, let's move to the background of the study. Speaking is one of the most essential skills in learning English because it enables learning to express their ideas, opinions, and feelings clearly and effectively. However, many English learners still experience several difficulties when speaking skills. Some learners fail and cause have limited vocabulary, make grammatical mistakes, and lack self-confidence. This challenge often prevents them from communicating successfully. Because of this problem, the research review profit study to identify the most effective strategies of developing speaking skill. Next, I will explain the purpose of the study. The study has three main objectives. The first objective is to examine previous studies published between 2018 and 2023 that discuss speaking strategies. The second object is to identify the strategies that are most frequently used in English language learning. The third objective is to explain how the strategies are implemented to improve students' speaking skill. By achieving these objectives, the research have to provide useful guidance for both teacher and students in selection of appropriate speaking strategies. Now, let's continue with the research question. The study is weighted by two main research questions. The first question is, what are the most frequently used strategies for developing speaking skill? The second question is, how are the strategies implemented in English language learning? The question helped the research analyze and compare and findings from previous studies. Next is the literature review. According to the research, speaking mistakes consistent of two important components. The first is the language component, which includes vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. The second is the non-linguistic component, which includes confidence, fluency, interaction, and communication skill. Thus, mind start learning need to only good language knowledge but also confidence and communication skill to become successful as English speaker. Now, I will explain the previous speaking strategies discussion in the literature. Proposed studies have suggested several strategies to improve speaking skill. These include refutation exercises, oral readers, role play, language exchange, task-based learning, and digital learning tools. A strategy provides learning with opportunity to practice speaking in different situation and helps them develop better communication skill. Next, let's discuss the main theories used in the study. The research grouped speaking strategies into four main categories. The first category is communication strategy. The second category is the biz approach. The third category is role play. The fourth category is the technology and hands of purpose. The fourth category become the theoretical framework of the study. Now, I will explain the research methodology. The study use a library research design instance of collecting data directly from participants. The research review and analysis profit studies. The data were collecting from academic journal, books, online databases, and undergraduate thesis. After collecting the data, the research analyzing themes using descriptive, qualitative analysis. The analysis, literature synthesis, and categorization of speaking strategies. Next, let's look at the article reviewed in the study. The research analysis study published between 2018 and 2023. The studies discuss different teaching strategies such as role play, YouTube educational comics, problem-based learning, task-based learning, and communication games. By reviewing the studies, the research identified which strategies were the most effective from improving speaking skill. Now, I will explain the main findings of the study. After review the selection article, the research identified four major speaking strategies. These are communication strategies, task-based approaches, role play, and technology enhanced approaches. Among these four strategies, role play and technology enhanced approaches were found to be the most frequently used and the most effective in improving students' speaking performance. The first important finding is role play. According to the review studies, role play improving students' speaking fluency, confidence, motivation, authentic communication, social interaction, and communicative competence. By participating in role play activity, students can practice real life conversation in meaningful situations, making the learning process more interaction and effectivity. The second important findings is technology enhanced approaches. The study highlights several technologies used in speaking introduction, including YouTube, digital storytelling, educational comms, and YouTube audio track imitation. These technologies makes learning more engaging, improve pronunciation, increases student participation, and provide more opportunity for speaking practice. Now let's move to the discussion section. The research concluded that combining roleplay with technology provide the best learning outcomes. Roleplay provides meaningful speaking practice, while technology offers authentic learning materials and interactive learning experience. Together, the strategy significantly improve learning, speaking performance, and communication skill. Next are the recommendation. Based on the appendix, the research recommend that teacher regularly use role play in classroom activities. Teachers should also create authentic speaking situation, interact YouTube, and other digital media into test lesson, provide clear instruction, encourage study interaction, and give continuous feedback. This practice can help students become more confident and fluent English speakers. Now I will explain the suggestion for future listen. The research suggests that future students effective speaking strategies as different educational levels and in different learning contexts. They also encourage research to explore emerging digital technologies and compare different combination of speaking strategies. The students can provide a deeper understanding of how speaking skill can be improved more effectively. Finally, I will like to conclude my presentation. The study found that speaking skill can be developed through four main strategies: communication strategies, text-based process, role play, and technology enhance a process. Among the strategies, role play and technology enhanced process are the most effectivity and the most frequently used. Their successful implementation requires careful planning, authentic communication, and meaningful interaction of technology into English language learning. Thank you very much for your attention. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.